Hey guys! Today we're making a super easy and delicious Iranian dish, tuna rice, or as we say it, polo batun mahi. If you've never tried this before, you're in for a treat. It's simple, comforting, and packed with flavor. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell so you won't miss any tasty recipes. Go ahead and chop up the onion and garlic, then slice the potato into nice round pieces. Drizzle some olive oil in the pan and let the onions saute until they're golden. Finally chop some cilantro and fenugreek, then add in our golden sauteed onions. Guys, I had some herbs in the freezer, so I just used those. Once the herbs are sauteed, go ahead and add in the canned tuna. To finish it off, we add some garlic and a pinch of salt, and now it's time to prep the rice. Alright, first things first, give that rice a good rinse. Then pour in some salty water and let it cook till it's nice and fluffy. When you can squish a grain of rice gently between your fingers just like this, that means it's ready to drain. Start by pouring a bit of olive oil into the bottom of the pot. Next, lay down your potato slices. Then go in with a layer of rice, a sprinkle of turmeric, and a spoonful of your filling. Keep repeating those layers until you're all set. Now cover it up, turn the heat to low, and let it steam for about 45 minutes, just enough for all those flavors to come together perfectly. And that's it, your delicious dish is ready to serve. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell so you never miss a tasty moment. See you in the next one, and remember, cooking with love always tastes better. Spatula drop.